And Neil's going to take the freight train on the main line here and up to Oxenholme. So let's say hello to Diesel. Hello, Diesel. Hello. And just look at those naughty trucks, boys and girls, banging and clanking away. All those guards and taking on colours of boats. Now, Mr. Guard, what's gone wrong here? Have you been incompetent again?
The trucks have been banging, crashing, and they've pushed Diesel into the siding. I just want to say we want better padded brake vans.
You're a member of the union, eh? Well, boys and girls, we've got a problem here because these naughty trucks have pushed Diesel up the sidings of the main line, and Diesel's now stuck. But never mind, it's time to go home anyway. No? No, okay. We can't leave Diesel stuck there, can we? What shall we do? Get another engine to come down and pull those naughty trucks out of the way? Who? Thomas? No. This is a very important job. Do you think Thomas is up to it? Oh, no, he isn't. Oh, no, he isn't. Oh, yes, he is. Shall we give him a try, boys and girls? All right, then. So where is he? Where's the last place you saw Thomas? Down there? There? Down there? Oh, he's there. Well, he's fast asleep, I think. We'll have to shout and wake him up. So if we all shout Thomas after 3, well, let's try and wake him up. So after 3, 1, 2, 3. He's still fast asleep after a Sunday afternoon nap. Have to shout louder than that. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Still asleep. Now look, you've got to shout really, really loud. Okay, so after 3, 1, 2, 3. Thomas! He's awake now. Thomas, I've got a problem down here with some naughty trucks. Can you help us solve that, please? Come on then. Come on, Thomas. Let's have you down here. Come on, boys and girls. Thomas, let's see if you can sort out this problem for me. Diesel's stuck behind these trucks. So we're going to move these trucks out of the way. So I think the first thing that we need to do is to pick up the brake van and put the brake van onto the front siding here. So do you think you can do that for me, Thomas? Can we do that? Come on then, Thomas. Let's pull this brake one out of the way. Now come on, boys and girls, give him some encouragement because it's a very, very heavy van that he's pulling here. So come on, Thomas, pull! Pull, Thomas! Pull! That's it. Show that brake van who's in charge. Well done, Thomas. Just look at the evil face on that brake van. Yes, boo! Now, Thomas. You'll have to push your brake van now. Push it all the way up and put it onto the siding on the front here. So come on, Thomas, push. 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 That's it. Give that brake one a good push. There we go. Well, that's one van out of the way. So, Thomas, you can go back now and pick up the other brake van for me, please. Go on, Thomas. Come and pick up these other vans for me. That's it, Thomas. So pick up these three troublesome trucks. Now, boys and girls, when he starts to pull these trucks, he's pulling three trucks all at the same time. They're very, very heavy, so he'll need lots and lots of encouragement from you. Can you do that for him? There we go. Are you ready, Thomas? Are you ready? Come on, Thomas. Pull those trucks, come on. Pull, Thomas. Pull, come on. Come on. You do it. Show us what a useful engine you are. Come on, Thomas, pull. Pull those trucks. That's it. Come on, Thomas. Well done. Now, Thomas, having sorted out those trucks, come back and pick up your brake van now. Then after that, Diesel will be free to get out of the siding. So come back now, Thomas. Come back and pick up your brake van. Come on, Thomas. You have to push now. Come on. Push. Push, Thomas. Come on, Thomas. Push. That's it. What a useful engine you are. Well done, Thomas. Well done, Thomas. Well, boys and girls, it seems that you were right and Thomas has sorted the problem out for us. So as a special treat, shall we let Thomas take the freight train out onto the main line down to Keighley? Shall we do that? Okay, Thomas, as a special treat, you can take all of the vans down to Keighley for me. Now, it's a very heavy train, so come on, children, give lots of encouragement. Come on, Thomas. Pull the train. Pull your trucks. Come on, Thomas. Come on, pull. You can do it. Come on, Thomas. Pull. Pull the trucks. What a good engine. Thomas. 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 Thomas, stop. Thomas. What What have you forgotten? Yes, your trucks. What a silly engine you are. What a silly engine. And it was doing so well. Don't get cheeky. Come on. Now, come on. Go and pull your trucks back. And he was doing so well, boys and girls. He just gets excited. He forgets things in the excitement. So forgive him and let him try again. All right, Thomas, come on. One more try. That's it. Show them who's boss. It's been a very, very useful engine. So come on, children, shout for Thomas, who's got a big straight to pull out. Come on, Thomas. Come on, Thomas. Right, Thomas, let's try again, shall we? Now, boys and girls, he's pulling. Come on, Thomas. Come on, Thomas. Pull. Come on, boys and girls, do some encouragement. Come on, Thomas. Pull. Pull, Thomas, come along. Come on, you can do better than that. Come on, Thomas. Pull. Come along. What's the matter? Thomas won't go. Thomas isn't very well, boys and girls. I think he's rather less well than that. What's the problem, Mr. Driver? Has he got all his wheels? So he's got one wheel here, and one wheel there, and one wheel there. That's 3 wheels. So there's 3 wheels on this side, and there's 3 wheels on the other side. How many wheels is that in total? 6 wheels. That sounds about right to me. But it's not his wheels. There's a funny noise. Where's the funny noise coming from? It's coming from his water tanks. There's a strange noise coming from his water tanks. I wonder what it can be. Any idea? Is it Yorkshire water? Can you have a look for me, Mr. Driver? Let's see what's in there. Something making a very, very funny noise. I'm not quite sure what it is. But I do notice it's almost the last shot. It's still over here. It bit you? What's this? Oh, it's a monster! What's the monster doing there? Is there anything else in there, Mr. Driver? I've had my breakfast yet. A string of sausages. Surely that must be it. There's something else as well. There's got a leak in the tank. Very good, yes. Well, hopefully Thomas is all right now. He's much better, is he now? Right. Right, boys and girls. I think Thomas is better now. So let's get him to work the freight train down to Keighley, shall we? Come on, Thomas, when you're ready. Come on, boys and girls, give me some encouragement. Come on, Thomas. Pull those trucks. Come on, Thomas. There we go. Come on, Thomas.